What we'll do is we'll put into the petrol station for a change.
Okay.
So see the SO on the left?
I know it, yeah.
You slow down this car, slow down, give way, give way, give way. That's it, you gotta let them get out of your way. And a left turn into the petrol station.
Okay.
When you come along the high street, that car was reversing in.
Yes.
There's a car coming towards you. You can't get through, can you?
No.
Slow down then. Otherwise, what's going to happen?
We will crash.
Yeah. And if it was your driving test,
I will fail.
you fail for not slowing down, yeah. The exam going to put foot on the brake. So you need to start thinking, what's happening in front of me there? Because
yeah.
I know you can do that, but every now and then you'll just switch off and make a mistake. And you've got to say, I've got to stop doing them mistakes.
Yeah.
You know, I've got to look at what's in front of me and start thinking, oh, it's in my way, I need to slow down. Think like this. You're not in the car, you're walking on the path and someone walks out with a bugger. You're not going to walk into it, are you?
No.
You're going to slow down and
to let him cross.
That's what you've got to do in the car. You've got to slow down and let him get out of your way. But you're not. You're just kind of ignoring him and going straight for it. Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. And that's what you've got to do. You've got to avoid the hazard. I know people, if they watch this, they think, oh, God, that's obvious. But it's not, because lots of people do it. They're thinking about the next thing beyond them.
Yeah.
And they're forgetting about what the hazard right in front of you.
You are thinking for too many things, you know?
Yes, it's running through your mind too much.
Your speed, your many things. So at the end, you miss something.
You do, yeah. So when you go to high streets or on a road, a side road, watch out for hazards. If they're in your way, slow yourself down. If you can't get past them safely, what do?
You slow down.
And
stop.
Yeah, give way to them. Right, let's go. We're going to go down there to the right and round and get you out.
There?
Yeah.
There.
Is that okay?
Okay.
Boom, boom. That's it. So just keep it in first gear, just go slow. Because when people put the fuel in the car, sometimes they drive off without looking. You just got to be on the lookout for cars moving off or people stepping out of the entrance. Yeah. We're going to go left at the main road, please. Just lift the clutch slowly. Yeah. You kind of kept your clutch on and went gas in, didn't you?
Yeah.
So it revved up and then you lift the clutch up and jumped. So you just got to balance that pedal. As your left foot goes up, your right foot goes down. That's it. See how you slow down for the hazard then? It's as simple as that, isn't it?
Yes, I know.
Well, that's all you got to keep doing. And we're going to pull up on the left, please. Okay. Remember, when you're pulling up, check the mirrors. Because I seen you, then you went, no mirror check.
I checked only one of these.
I was watching you, then you did nothing.
Nothing?
Yeah. Because I said to you, pull up on the left, then you went like that.
Like confidence.
But you're checking what's behind you and what's next to you.
You know what I was checking? There's a bus station here, that one.
Bus stop.
Not to stop there. Yeah.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure that or that.
Yeah.
That one. Okay.
Well, you can still check behind you, can't you? It's not that hard.
I get minor, at least not fail.
well, you signalled anyway, won't you?
Yes.
So you'd be fine. But you need to check regularly your mirrors. Okay. If you get in the habit of not checking them, then you're going to miss things. Very important. Any questions?
No.
Happy?
No question.
Happy?
Yeah. Well, I'm not happy with the driving today.
You're not happy with driving?
No. But I'm happy that I'm touching up things which I start to do mistakes.
Things that you're doing that are really nice, and then every now and then you'll do a little mistake, like the stalling.
Yeah.
or like that hazard where the car's reversed, you're not slowing down for it. So they're things we can keep working on.
Yeah.
So that's why I thought we'll just stick to the side roads. We're more likely to come across a hazard, aren't we?
Yeah.
So that's what you've got to do. Yeah.
If we drive this road, I think it's very busy. So we meet up with many things, many hazards.
That's why we're going this way.
Yeah.
So remember, when we're driving down here, if we can't get through safely, we need to think about slowing down and giving way, don't we?
Yeah.
And if we're going past a parked car, how much space? If you're going past a parked car, how much space would you give them?
The space which they can open the door.
Which is the door, isn't it?
1 meter, or is it 1 meter?
Yeah. Not a whisker. A door.
Door. Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Ready to move on?
All right.
So that's a nice pull off again. See, what you're doing there is really good. You're just letting that car get out of your way.
Yes.
Rather than get there at the same time. Because that's what you've got to start thinking like. Let the problem get out of my way, and then it's easier. Rather than go there at the same time and then end up stopping.
Yes.
So we're going to come to a crossroads. There's a giveaway line. We're going to follow the road ahead at the crossroads, but we're going to have to stop and look out there.
Oh. Wow.
It's all right. Just take your time. You've done the right thing. He's give way to you because there's nowhere else to go. And then just remember, stop and look. That's why you stop and look, isn't it? Because you can't see what's there until you get to the line. If it's an open junction, that'd be different. But because it's a closed junction, you can't see. You need to stop and look every time. You know, there's no ifs or buts about it. Anyway, so gap that. At the end of here, we're going to turn left, please. And you know it's tricky, so you just got to be careful. Got to be looking what's happening on the junctions, looking beyond the junctions. Stop, 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 stop. That's it. So he's coming through, isn't he? He's in your lane. So start the car when you're ready.
Did I stop?
You did. That's it. Yeah, the problem is the parked cars, aren't there? There'll be all lines.
Yeah.
So anyone coming on your left is going to be in your lane. So you've got to give way to them because it's their right way at that point. Stop then. Stop, stop, stop. Remember, if they're in your way, stop.
What kind of signal was that?
Get yourself ready. After the blue car, we're going to move off. Wait for the blue car. Wait for the blue car. Now we can go. It's a hazard. So what he's done is he's pulled over on a bus stop, hazard lights on.
Okay.
He's either dropped someone off or done something, and then he started moving off, and then he's cancelled his hazard lights. So it's caused a problem, but you've got to give way again, haven't you?
I saw him coming with hazard lights.
Yeah, so you give way, don't you?
I thought he stopped.
Yeah.
Stopping somehow.
Well, he had stopped, but then he started moving off, but then you've got to give way. Like here, just take your time. Take your time, let them get in the space. Take your time. First gear now, and then carry on. If you don't let them get in the space, they're in your way, aren't they?
Yeah.
So you got to take your time and get in the space. You keep trying to rush through to the problems. You got to slow down.